Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you all a simple festival lunch which we can do it very quickly. Let's get started. So firstly we are making rava kesari and here are the ingredients. Suji, ghee, cashews, sugar, ilachi powder, pinch of saffron, food color and then water. So for this take a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, and then add 10 cashews, and after a minute add 1 tablespoon of raisins. Roast them on low flame. Now in the same ghee add half cup of suji and roast it for around 5 minutes. Meanwhile, add 1 cup of water into a saucepan and boil the water. Once it comes to little boiling, add a pinch of saffron and then food color as per your choice, and boil the water well. And then add the boiling water to the roasted suji. Stir continuously till the suji absorbs all the water to make sure no lumps are formed. And then add 3/4 cup of sugar. Stir well till the sugar dissolves well. And cook this for around 2 minutes till the suji gets cooked completely. And then add the roasted cashews and raisins. Mix everything well and then add 1/4 teaspoon of ilachi powder. Mix well till the rava kesari separates from the pan, and at this stage you can switch off the stove and take it into your serving bowl. Our next recipe is instant vada. So for making this recipe, take 1 cup of suji and then add around 3/4 cup of curd. Mix everything well and soak this for around 15 minutes. And then in another mixing bowl, take half cup of poha and add water and then wash it well. To the washed poha, add some curd and a pinch of salt and then soak this for around 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, add the soaked poha to our suji mixture. And then add half cup of chopped onions and then few green chilies, ginger and then some coriander leaves and a sprig of curry leaves, and then some salt as required. Mix everything well. You can add some water if you feel the mixture is too thick, and you can make this to vada consistency. So for making the vada, heat oil in a kadai. And add the vada in the hot oil. And fry until golden brown. And then let's prepare tomato onion chutney. So for this I have taken 5 tomato and then some cilantro, around 6 garlic cloves, and then some turmeric, salt, jeera, green chilies around 15 to 16, and then a little tamarind, and also I have taken 1 onion. Let's get started. So into a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and then add finely diced tomatoes, and the green chilies. Mix everything well and then add some turmeric, and also the tamarind, and once the tomatoes are half cooked, you can add around half onion. Mix everything well and then add salt as required and cook this for about 5 minutes. Once the tomatoes are cooked well, switch off the stove and cool it down before adding it to a mixer jar. And then to the same jar, add half tablespoon of jeera and then around 6 garlic cloves and some cilantro. Grind it to a coarse paste and take it to a serving bowl. And then let's prepare lemon rice. For this I am boiling 2.5 cups of water and then adding some salt into it and then half teaspoon of oil. Once the water comes to boiling, add 1 cup of rice. Cook the rice well. This will take about 5 minutes. Once the rice gets cooked well, drain the water and add it into a mixing bowl. Keep it aside for around 10 to 15 minutes so the moisture in the rice gets evaporated, so rice will be non-sticky. So after that, add some lemon juice and then some salt as required, and then around half teaspoon of oil. Mix everything well and let's prepare the tadka now. For that I am taking around 2 tablespoons of oil and into that I am adding some peanuts. Roast them on low flame and then add chana dal, urad dal, mustard seeds, pinch of hing, and then 1 dried red chili, chopped green chilies, finely grated ginger, sprig of curry leaves, little turmeric powder, and then some cilantro at the end. Switch off the stove and add the tadka into our lemon rice. Mix everything well and add some cilantro on top. And then let's prepare potato fry. For that I am taking 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadai. And when the oil is hot, add some mustard seeds, jeera, urad dal, chana dal, dried red chili, curry leaves, pinch of hing, green chilies, chopped onions, fry the onions little and then add 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and then some turmeric powder. Mix everything well and fry until the onions turn slightly golden brown and then add the boiled potatoes. Mix everything well and cook this for about 5 minutes by covering the lid. Add some chili powder as per the spicy level you like. Mix everything well and cook this for about 2 minutes. You can check the salt at this stage and add the salt as required. Finally add some cilantro, mix everything well and take it to a serving bowl. And then let's prepare radish sambar. For that I have soaked half cup of tur dal for around 20 minutes and adding it into a pressure cooker. And cook this for about 2 whistles. Though I was showing all the recipes separately, I am actually cooking all of them together here and it took me around actually less than 2 hours to complete it. So our dal is ready. Mash the dal well and keep it aside. Now take 1 tablespoon of oil into a pan. When the oil is hot, add some mustard seeds and then jeera, urad dal, chana dal, hing, dried red chilies, curry leaves, green chilies, 1 big onion, two tomatoes diced, and then the radish. Mix everything well. Add some turmeric powder, salt as required. Add some water and cook until the vegetables are cooked well. And I am adding some tamarind juice which I have extracted from small lemon sized tamarind. And then add the dal which we have prepared before. Mix everything well. And then here I am using store bought sambar powder. And if you like your sambar to be spicy, you can add some chili powder. Mix everything well. And add some cilantro before you switch off the stove. And our sambar is ready to serve. And then I am making some fryams and appalam. In the same oil we have made vada. And that's it. It is that simple. So let's check out all the recipes we have prepared now. and take them into a serving plate. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Treats and Talks. Thank you for watching.